Hi friends, welcome to Playtime Pizza, the best pizza restaurant in town. Today we're opening up shop, taking orders, and making delicious pizzas for our customers. Are you ready to help me? Great, let's get started. Our shop is almost ready to open. We've got our pizza dough all set for the crust, the sauce spread on nice and smooth, and a layer of delicious cheese sprinkled on top. Now that we've got this done, let's take a look at what else we need to get ready before we start making pizzas. We have a special slicer to cut and serve our pizzas. Now let's take a look at the toppings. We have 1, 2, 3 options to offer our customers. First, we have our tasty mushrooms. These little mushrooms are full of flavor and make a great addition to any pizza. Now, let's take a look at our pepperoni. These tasty round slices are a favorite topping for so many people. What about you? Do you like pepperoni on your pizza? Up next, we have our veggies. We've got a mix of green peppers, onions, and black olives. These fresh and healthy toppings are perfect for any pizza. Now it's time to bring out our pizza. We need to get it set up on our assembly line because we're ready to open. That way, we'll be all set to add toppings when our first order comes in. Our first order is in. This customer wants mushrooms on their pizza. Let's grab some tasty mushrooms and get their pizza ready. Uh-oh, I think we need to space out the mushrooms more. Can you help me? Great! Now, let's get this pizza in the oven so we can bake it to perfection. Then we'll send it off to our hungry customer. Our next order is in. This customer wants mushrooms and pepperoni. Let's start with the mushrooms since we just got a fresh batch chopped and ready to go. Now that we've finished with our mushrooms, can you help me find the pepperoni? Where could it be? There it is! Great job, everyone! Let's add some delicious pepperoni to this customer's pizza. This pizza is going to be so delicious. Let's get it in the oven so it's hot and ready to send to our customer. Order up! We've got an all-veggie pizza to make. Can you help me find the veggie toppings? Great job, everyone! Here are some colorful and healthy veggies to add to our customer's pizza. We've got one more veggie we can add. Can you guess which one it is? That's right, it's mushrooms. Mushrooms are a vegetable too, and they'll be a perfect addition to this all-veggie pizza. Let's get these on the pizza and then get it sizzling in the oven and ready to go for our customer. This customer is going to eat here in our pizza shop. Let's get it sliced up and ready to serve. Slicing pizza is always so much fun. It's like the final step to making a perfect pizza. Doesn't that look delicious? And so colorful with all the veggies. We need to get a fresh pizza crust ready for our next order so we can start building another delicious pizza for our hungry customer. Let's count the slices as we put it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This pizza came together perfectly. Now let's get ready for our next order and get this back on our assembly line. This customer wants a deluxe pizza, which means we get to add all the toppings for a truly amazing creation. Let's get started building this deluxe masterpiece. First up, we'll add some savory mushrooms. Next, we'll add some pepperoni. These little round slices bring a bold, savory kick to our deluxe pizza. And last but not least, let's add the rest of our fresh veggies to make this pizza even more delicious. Then we'll pop it in the oven to bake to deluxe perfection. Into the oven it goes! Here it is, hot and fresh out of the oven, and it smells absolutely amazing. Let's slice it up and get it ready for our customer, who's excited to enjoy it right here in our pizza shop. Wow, we had a busy day at the pizza shop, and our kitchen is a bit of a mess. It's time to clean up and get everything organized so we're ready for another day of making delicious pizzas tomorrow. Let's start by cleaning up these toppings. Can you help me find where they should go? What about this pepperoni? Do you see where it should go? And what about this veggie topping? Where should it go? Great job, everyone! How about this mushroom next? Let's put it away. We're doing a great job so far. Let's keep going and make this kitchen sparkle. Let's move on to the pizza next. More toppings to put away. We're doing a great job so far. Look at that! We finished one slice! Great job, friends! And just like that, another slice is done! Which one's next? Let's get these toppings put away. Our third slice is done. We're on a roll. Our fourth slice of pizza is done. Our kitchen is almost clean. Look at that! Our fifth slice of pizza is all done. Let's grab our pizza pan and slicer and get them to the sink so we can wash them and be ready for tomorrow. Great job today, everyone! We made so many delicious pizzas. And now we're all cleaned up and ready for tomorrow. Thanks for helping out in the pizza shop. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments down below what your favorite pizza is. See you next time for more playtime fun.